Amsurrity Insurance Agency is a comparative insurance website, stroke business, that basically helps clients and also people who are looking to basically understand the basics of insurance, where they can get information free of charge without necessarily the hard sell push that comes with selling insurance. I believe there's nothing like the best insurance product for a customer. Like you can't come and say, I want the best health insurance company, I want the best car insurance company. There's nothing like that. As long as we're able to understand what it is that is uniquely you and what is your biggest pain point, then we can be able to match you with a company that meets you at that need.
I was able to approach Amsurrity and they were able to take me through what to cover, because even the tools can get lost, even the car can be damaged in my workshop. So they came in handy. Remember, for you to run a workshop, you need the tools, you need the Weber, even the employees. You need the cars that you're working on to be also undercover. So insurance comes in handy, and we were able to insure with Amsurrity.
The process of getting insurance with Amsurrity was pretty seamless. I had a lot of guidance in terms of what was available in the market, but then again, how to match my needs to the insurance options outside. So Amsurrity definitely gave me a couple of options that worked with what I needed. It needed that I reflect, of course, on where I am in terms of age, what my plans are for my future, and also how those will come in. So that allowed them to give me a couple of options that would work for me.
One of the value propositions that Amsurrity Insurance offers is transparency, honesty. We bring in a lot of professionalism with the combined experience of 15 years with some of our team members. And above all, we value our customer. Like our customer is our king. We make sure we treat them well, whether they're existing, new, or even people just looking to understand more about insurance. We treat everybody the same.
One thing I've liked about Amsurrity is that they're efficient. They are very professional. They're even, they wear the heart of the client. They are able even to take you through like a 2-year-old.
Amsurrity helping me get a cover allowed me to take ownership of my health. And I think that's something that can easily be taken for granted. But when something happens and it's an emergency, I want to be able to get assistance as quickly as possible and at a place that's reliable. So that's given me that level of being able to be confident enough in my day-to-day work, and I can focus on my work as opposed to focusing on, I guess, trying to just keep myself alive. The other thing around it is being able to do, say, wellness checkups gives you even extra confidence every year, because then you're able to go and check the things that many a times you would ignore until the last moment when there's an emergency, and keep up to date with your health and wellness.
Every time we have an opportunity to engage with you at renewal or even at the start of the policy, we ask very specific questions towards that particular product that you've taken cover with. And those questions are very leading. We get a little bit intimate. We get to understand what are your current needs, what are your future anticipation, what do you see changing in your life in the next foreseeable future. And then now we can be able to match you with a product that can be able to work with you for at least 3 years before any changes. Also at renewal, we get intimate again. The same question just being asked differently, because right now you already have a policy, you know how it works, you already love it. Do you like the way the insurance is taking you? And if the answer is yes, there are some changes that I'm anticipating, we look at the current situation. Can we improve on that policy, or can we even change your provider?
The follow-up has been awesome, amazing. A month before, you get a phone call, an email, and also a reminder again, even the due date. So for me, that works. As a busy business person, I cannot keep the records of everything, but Amsurrity, they have the heart of the clients.
Insurance is not just about buying insurance. The meat of insurance is actually at the point of claim. So for us, our differentiating factor over and above ensuring easy access to insurance is also at the point of claim. In the event you find yourself, you have a claim, you don't have to worry of where do I start, or even if you don't know where to start, you don't even have to think twice. You already know Amsurrity Insurance Agency is there at your fingertips. So basically we offer support and guide customers on how they can be able to just follow the right processes and know the right paperwork to fill so that the claims can be settled as quickly as possible.
The after-sales support from Amsurrity has actually been really encouraging. One of the things I know I had a challenge with when going into having an insurance policy that's personal is how do I go about using it at different places, and what kind of support can I get? Sometimes you don't find institutions being that helpful. But at any point where I was unsure, Amsurrity came in to give me guidance in terms of how to go about certain things. At different junctures, I had to do payments before and then have it reimbursed. Amsurrity gave me the courage to actually go ahead and do that, knowing fully well I would be reimbursed and I wouldn't have a problem given the relationship they have with the insurance companies and medical facilities.
If you're looking for the best service when it comes to insurance, then look no further. We at Amsurrity Insurance Agency, we are here to serve all your insurance needs.
I would recommend Amsurrity to my friends and family. I recommended Amsurrity to more or less my whole family. So I would still do it as well because I believe in the support I have received, and I'm one to recommend something based off of my experience, and a good one at that.
So to me, I highly recommend Amsurrity.
You can visit us at www.amsurrity.co.ke. You can reach us on call or WhatsApp on 0725 068 537 or 0762 065 500. Or you can talk to any of our clients and they'll be able to bring you directly to us.